everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Naizela Dwi Punaningdo. My name 17124241006. Program Study Digital Office Administration, Faculty of Economics, University State of Jakarta. Here I would like to review the journal with title Employee Performance Impact on Communication and Work Environment. Writing name Novita Wahyu Setiawati, Clara Agustina, and Dewi Sri Wulandari. Name journal as Asian Journal Multidisciplinary Research. Volume 2, number 1, page 301 up to 308, years 2023. Background of the problem. The research in this article explain importance of employee performance in human research company. Employee performance is influenced by good communication between superiors and subordinates, as well as a supportive work environment. Performance is defined as the achievement of result by employees carrying out their duties and responsibilities. If active communication is established, employees will feel comfortable in the work environment, which in turn will encourage them to work optimally. Research purpose. The purpose of this study is analyze and explain explore the influence of the communication and work environment on employee performance. This study aims to show that good communication and supportive work environment can significantly improve employee performance. In addition, this study also aims to provide recommendations for companies in improving employee performance through evaluation of communication and work environment aspects. This research method in this study includes a quantitative approach. This study involves collection data through questionnaires distributed to employees, measure communication variables, work environment, and employee performance. Data analysis is carried out to test hypotheses regarding the influence of communication and work environment and on employee performance. This study also refers statistical analysis to determine the relationship between this variable and employee performance. Research subject of this study were employees in company. That was the focus of the study. This study aims to collect data from employees regarding their experiences related communication in the workplace, work environment condition, and how these two factors affect their performance. By involving employees as subject, this study can provide deeper insight into the relation between communication, work environment, and employee performance. The research result of the study indicate that communication and work environment have a positive and significant influence employee performance. This study found that 1. Communication influence, 2. Work environment influence, 3. Interaction between communication and work environment. 1. Communication influence. Effective communication between superiors and subordinates contributes to improve employee performance. Employees who feel comfortable communication tend to show better performance. Yeah, two, a supportive work environment, including physical factors such as lighting, temperature, and noise, also has a positive effect on performance. A good environment helps employees to concentrate work more efficiently. The interaction between communication and work environment. The study also shows that the combination of good communication and supportive work environment can significantly improve employee performance. The linear regression analysis conducted showed the both variables have a strong relation with employee performance measured through a questionnaire distributed to respondents. There are actually many grammar in the journal, but I'll give you two. Simple present tense. Communication has a positive and significant effect on employee performance, and the work environment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Simple present continuous tense. Employees are communicating effectively to improve their performance. Leaders are motivating their to achieve better results. Simple future tense. Companies will improve employee performance by enhancing communication, and employees will collaborate for more effectively in the future. As tense leaders were all able to communicate well and provide motivation to employees, and the company evaluated the performance in the identify existing problems. For present perfect tense, companies have implemented new strategies to enhance the work environment, and studies have shown significant relationship between work environment and performance. Past perfect tense. By the time the evaluation was conducted, the company had already implemented new communication strategies, and the organization had established a positive work environment before the new policies were introduced. Passive voice. The organization had established a positive work environment before the new policies were introduced. And before the training session, the employees had not fully understood the importance of effective communication. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, effective communication is important for employee performance. Comparative degree, employees will have better communication skill, perform better. Superlative degree, the best work environment leads to the likelihood employee satisfaction. Model actuary, companies should evaluate their communication strategies regularly, and leader must provide feedback to enhance employee performance. Elliptical sentence. Employees need to communication effectively. Leaders too, and some employees prefer a quiet workspace over a collaborative one. Okay, see you soon and bye bye.